For today, I'm just going to show you what I've done here for the priority section at the top. So I wanted a really clear section that told me how many high, medium or low activities that I had going on. So this was just again using the COUNTIF function. So I've clicked equal on each of these boxes, typed in COUNTIF. I've done the range of the table for the whole of column D apart from the heading, and then depending on what I want to count, I've put that in the speech marks. And then to make this really visual again, I've selected the row 2 and I've gone for a pie chart this time. So again, it's just a really visual way of showing this information. So if you needed to know very quickly how many high tasks you got, if it's getting too high on the high task, you can really clearly see it. So I've got it into the right place with the chart. So I've just gone for a chart at the top, just gone for a simple pie chart. And again, if we click on that paintbrush tool, we can go in there and swap things about. So for each of the series, just to make it really visual, I've just changed the fill. So high is going to be red. I'm going to take out the labels as well. So I'm going to go into the labels because I've already got how many at the top. I don't need the percentage of how many. So again, I'm going to do this for each of them. So we'll have orange as the medium. Again, we'll take out the labels so we can't see those as well. And then we'll do exactly the same for the low as well. We're going to make that a nice yellow, so we can really clearly, as we change things around and have different priorities, different amount of priority tasks, we can see if we're getting too overwhelmed, we might need to rethink what we're doing. I'm also going back to the chart, and I'm just going to go into the chart section at the top, so the paintbrush and then onto the chart. And then I'm going to take out the legend, which is basically the other information at the top there, because I already know what all that is really clear. So what you can see is as I change my tasks, their priority, we can really clearly see it in the priority at the top right. So it just helps us keep that momentum, keep focus on what we need to be doing. If it's getting too high with the reds, we need to just sit down and have a look at that to-do list and sort things out.
Thanks for taking the time to listen all about how to make our to-do list. Please do keep following for more information on how to use numbers.